Welcome to the William E. and Clara A. Bridgham Estate, offering a once-in-a-generation opportunity to transform one of the last intact family estates on Providence's historic East Side. Set on nearly 4 acres bordered by Cole Avenue to the west, Rochambeau Avenue to the south, and Blackstone Boulevard to the east, this offering includes the original Spanish Colonial Revival Manor House, which was designed by Eleazar B. Homer in 1915 for the Rhode Island School of Design instructor William Bridgham and his wife Clara. With over 9,100 square feet of living space on 2 levels, this beautifully proportioned residence is exquisitely appointed and impeccably maintained. Constructed from the finest materials including imported limestone, black walnut, quarry tile, and onyx with black and caramel hues, you will instantly feel transported to the Tuscan countryside. The grand formal rooms are blended with contemporary spaces featuring all the modern conveniences for today's lifestyle. In 1937, a glass atrium and ballroom were added to create an entertainment venue for public and private gatherings. The carriage house offers space to park 3 cars and includes a European-inspired guest apartment that would cohere to any major Italian city. This exceptional property contains a series of terraced gardens with fountains and reflection pools, as well as a maze hedge, grape arbor, a Scandinavian-inspired outbuilding, and a professional greenhouse that would make any gardener green with envy. A once-in-a-generation offering, the estate has been thoughtfully designed to allow for a private development opportunity consisting of 12 lots. The main house and carriage house each sit on their own acre-plus parcel with the ability to create up to an additional 10 exclusive single-family home lots, each offering an intimate setting that would rival any European villa. Providence, Rhode Island, named America's favorite city by Travel and Leisure magazine, has a host of cultural amenities, accompanied by some of the best restaurants on the eastern seaboard. An easy commute by train up and down the Northeast Corridor, as well as non-stop flight service to the West Coast and Europe beginning in 2015, make this special offering an incredible value as compared to anything in its class in either Metro New York or Boston. For more information, please visit the property website or contact Jim Durentis at area code 401-529-2188.